now, 12 days after getting a decisive mandate, the Mahayuti government will be finally formed in the state of Maharashtra. Devendra Fadnavis will be taking oath as the Chief Minister for a third time at 5:30 p.m. in the Azad Maidan. It was always certain that Ajit Pawar will be one of his deputies, but the suspense over his other deputy went all till the last hour. In fact, having played a hardball for almost 2 weeks now, Eknath Shinde has finally agreed to take a demotion and take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister today. Shiv Sena leaders had urged their party chief to take the oath and also be part of the cabinet, with some of them even warning that no Sena leader will be part of the government if Shinde does not take oath.
आज के शपथ विधि 16 के अंदर एक मुख्यमंत्री और 2 उप मुख्यमंत्री पद की शपथ होने वाली है। उसमें से एक उप मुख्यमंत्री पद जो है वो शिवसेना का है, तो डेफिनेटली शिवसेना का उप मुख्यमंत्री भी शपथ लेने वाले हैं। हमारे सबकी मांग है, लाखों करोड़ों शिव सैनिकों की और इस महाराष्ट्र की जनता की मांग है कि आदरणीय एकनाथ राव जी शिंदे साहब डिप्टी सीएम बने। बट आखिरी फैसला, क्योंकि वो हमारे सर्वोच्च नेता है, जो फैसला वो लेंगे वो हमें मंजूर रहेगा, लेकिन आखिरी फैसला तो साहब के ऊपर निर्भर करता है।
हमने तो कल उनको बोला है कि वो स्वीकार है, सब एमएलएज ने इकट्ठा होके बोला है। हाँ। तो हम सोचते हैं कि वो हमने जो रिक्वेस्ट की है वो स्वीकारेंगे, हमारी रिक्वेस्ट का वो ऑनर करेंगे। बाकी वो स्वीकारना न स्वीकारना उनके मन पे है।
आज बहुत ही सुंदर ऐसा दिन है। आज देवेंद्र जी 6ठी बार एमएलए बन चुके हैं और तीसरी बार मुख्यमंत्री पद उनको मिल रहा है, उसका आनंद है। पर आनंद से ज्यादा एक जिम्मेदारी का मन में एक अनुभूति है और बहुत से काम है जो महाराष्ट्र के लिए करने हैं उनको, और हम सभी को उनका साथ देना है, तो उसकी ज्यादा एक जिम्मेदारी का जो एक एहसास है वो मन में ज्यादा है। हरदम ये लगता था कि जो मेहनत उनकी थी, जो विजन उनका था, जो दूरदृष्टि थी, तो उन्होंने आना ही था, चाहे वो बहनों के लिए हो, चाहे किसी भी शहर के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए हो, चाहे योजनाएं हो, चाहे किसान के पीछे खड़े रहना हो, चाहे बेटियों और बच्चों के लिए कुछ करना हो, हर जगह इतनी सुंदर ऐसी योजनाएं उन्होंने सामने लाई। और इंफ्रा जिस तरीके से हर छोटे बड़े शहर का उन्होंने इम्प्रूव किया, आप मुंबई देख सकते हैं, वैसे ही नागपुर जैसे शहर का डेवलपमेंट देख सकते हैं।
We are going to perform for the ceremony, and it's a privilege and honor to be part of this wonderful.
Devendra Fadnavis as well. Now it's a swearing-in ceremony for Devendra Fadnavis. How does
Yeah, we have worked.
What are the songs?
We have worked with Devendra Fadnavis earlier also. It's a wonderful moment, and we were very much part and parcel for his winning. बहुत हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं आज के लिए।
Meanwhile, the tussle between the allies continues over the portfolio allocation. While the BJP is unwilling to let go of the Home Ministry and Ajit Pawar set to retain finance, sources now say that Shinde and Shiv Sena are feeling left out. And the tiff in alliance over the portfolio has just gotten bigger, with the BJP reportedly planning to keep even the Urban Development Ministry with itself.
Well, of course, the euphoria is at a different level at this particular place as the clock is ticking. It's already 3 o'clock and around 5:30 the swearing ceremony will be conducted. You can see in the visuals the massive flags, the Karyakartas are present over here. Just a short while ago, even Kailash Kher, the singer, has also came here. He is going to perform, and lot of things are going on at this particular place. This is a gate for the common public, but you can see in the visuals the kind of excitement people have is at another level, and they have gathered in huge numbers. If we talk about the entire preparations and the dignitaries who will be present, it is importantly Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, and all other top BJP leaders, as well as as well as the office bearers from RSS as well. More than 200 cents are expected to come. Security is all beefed up. All the buildings around Azad Maidan are cordoned off. No one is allowed to go on the terrace of certain buildings because there is a high level security. But of course, life has come full circle for Devendra Fadnavis. The promise which he has done to himself as well as the people of Maharashtra, he has fulfilled that. And what one can understand is that the dialogue which he mentioned every now and then, that me punha il, that means I'll come back again. That is the day today. And he has completed his promise is what we can understand. You can see in the visuals that people are coming here with the t-shirts particularly of Ek Hai To Safe Hai.
My colleague Abhishek joins us right now from the BJP office. Abhishek, in a short while from now, Devendra Fadnavis will be taking oath as the Chief Minister for the third time. The BJP is all set to lead the Mahayuti, not just as far as the number of seats are concerned, but also within the government.
See, definitely, this is something that was about to happen, and we have seen how not a very easy or smooth transition it has been. Many meetings, many high-profile meetings, I would say, and everything happened. We have seen the press conference yesterday where Devendra Fadnavis had to make a statement and say that the Chief Minister's post is just a technical post. And as we have done for 2.5 years, we will be taking collective decisions ahead also. So CM post doesn't matter a lot. And on the other side, we have seen how Eknath Shinde was keen to be reinstated as Chief Minister, but it didn't work out for him. As far as the announcement by the Central BJP Core Committee was concerned, they have decided that the meeting which took place in Delhi, where it was very much clear that it will be the Chief Minister from the BJP and two Deputy Chief Ministers. And then came, then who will get what? And how will the role of Eknath Shinde be? So again, there were contention whether he will accept the post of Deputy Chief Minister or not. And, few hours back, there were meetings, there were, consensus being arrived. And yesterday night, there was a crucial meeting between both the leaders wherein it was decided finally that he will be taking oath as a Chief Minister, as a Deputy Chief Minister today along with Ajit Pawar and Devendra Fadnavis, who will be sworn in as a Chief Minister once again for the state of Maharashtra. So it is not a smooth and
All right, Abhishek getting us all the excitement right outside the BJP office and all the roads there leading to Azad Maidan, where at 5:30 Devendra Fadnavis will be taking oath as the Maharashtra Chief Minister for the third time. And of course, joining him as his deputies will be Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde. Now, of course, Eknath Shinde has decided to end the deadlock and join the government. But will this be the end of troubles? Or will this just be the beginning of more troubles ahead for Mahayuti? That's, of course, a question that we'll ask later. But meanwhile, all the focus continues to be on the swearing-in ceremony, which continues to get grander and bigger with every passing minute.